Hello, welcome to the ingredient channel for another simple and delicious Chinese recipe. Today I'm going to introduce a special type of tofu with a unique texture, the soy puffs or tofu puffs, and show you how to cook a delicious dish using this special tofu puffs in a few simple steps. Soy puffs are deep-fried tofu that are crispy, spongy, and light. In order to absorb more flavor, we will cut the tofu puffs in the middle. Mince 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Mince 1 teaspoon of ginger root. Cut some green onion rings. In a little bowl with the minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix and set aside. Heat up the wok, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, add in the ginger, saute until fragrance comes out. Add about 5-ounce ground beef, saute until brown. One teaspoon fermented black beans. One teaspoon dark soy sauce. One teaspoon dried red chili pepper flakes. Add in the garlic sauce. One cup of water. Add in the soy puffs. A pinch of salt as needed. Bring to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes. Two teaspoons of starch and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well. Add the starch liquid in 2 separate rounds to thicken the sauce. Switch up the heat and garnish with green onion rings. Serve. The slippery tofu puffs are full of flavor, chewy, and very appetizing. Well, thanks for staying through the end of the video and hope you enjoy the recipe while becoming more into the rich Chinese food culture. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Until next time, happy cooking.